Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids.co.uk and this is my review of the Logitech K340 wireless keyboard. Now this is a compact wireless keyboard, so a little bit different to one of the full-size keyboards that I've been used to using for a long time now. But despite its smaller size, it still has full-size keys and a numeric keypad as well. So they've done a very good job of keeping the actual physical size of this unit down, but giving you decent size keys with some really good feedback as well. They've got a good amount of travel, they're nicely spaced. They're not backlit, but I don't know if you can pick this up on camera. They have got like a bright red sort of background behind them so that you can sort of see them fairly well in low light situations. They're also printed in a nice bright sort of glowing sort of white colour, so in low light you can still see what you're typing. Now the profile's just right too. I don't know if you can see that. It's fairly thin at the front, and if I give you a side view there, it's quite a low profile, but it's got a nice angle to it as well. Now round the back of the keyboard we've got the battery cover here. Under there is housed two AA batteries. There's also a little compartment there where you can store the little USB dongle so you don't lose it. So that pops in there when it's not in use. It should actually clip in, there we go. So that's actually clipped in there, nice and safe so you can't lose it. I just want to show you this little dongle close up. It is absolutely tiny. Now this is one of Logitech's Unifying receivers. So it's absolutely tiny, only protrudes about sort of 5-6 millimeters from the USB port, and you can link up to 6 compatible devices on your PC with just one dongle. I think that's absolutely excellent. Also in the box you do get an extension cable, USB extension cable, so you can plug this in on your desk and sort of extend it around to the back of your computer if that helps the signal, or if you actually want it on the top of your desk so you can gain easy access to it, then you can do that and extend it round to the top of your desk. Now battery cover just pops back on very easily. I'm just going to quickly show you. This is one of the things that I'm not that keen about on this keyboard. The battery cover seems very loose. It's not going to come off, but if I can pick on one thing, it's the loose battery cover. That's what I'm not too keen on this device. Round the back of the keyboard, just on this be the top right of the keyboard, if you've got it round the right way, this is the on-off switch. I'll just turn that round, you can see it's located top right. You can physically turn the keyboard off to extend the battery life. When you turn it back on, this LED stays on green to show you've got good battery charge. Now to save battery life even further, the keyboard will automatically turn off if you don't use it for around 10 minutes. And Logitech are claiming that you will get up to, and I know they say up to, 3 years of battery life from one set of batteries. If that claim is true, then that is truly awesome. That is absolutely fantastic if I'm going to get 3 years out of this keyboard without changing the batteries. Now, I absolutely love the feel of this one. It's very comfortable to use. The angle's just right. Nice black gloss finish. Yeah, it does show the dust, but a quick wipe down every now and again keeps the keyboard in nice clean condition anyway. The Unifying receiver is fantastic as well. The fact that I can connect this and a mouse and other Logitech devices all with that one dongle is an absolute boon. This is going to cost you just £28 in the UK. I think that is an absolute bargain. If you're in the US, it's going to cost you about $45. This is highly recommended. I'm absolutely loving this keyboard. This is the Logitech wireless keyboard, model number K340. Thanks very much for listening. Come back soon and check out more reviews on Geekanoids.co.uk.
This video review is sponsored by ProPorter.com, who design and manufacture a whole host of accessories for your mobile devices, including PDAs and smartphones, MP3 players and iPods, laptops, GPS devices and gaming units.